Welcome friends in Knowledge World Express. Today we will make bevel gear by using an example which is shown in here. You may see having PCD 250 mm. Same this PCD will be 250 mm. So diameter 250. Now addendum is 10 mm. Offset same offset on the basis of addendum, that is 11.7. Addendum is 11.57, so we'll offset 11.57 inside the circle. Now we will make a center line from the quadrant. Just array this object 2 into number of feet. Here number 25, so quantity will be 50. Disassociate, deactivate this, close array. Now we will trim the object. Trim 2 1 2 1 2 1, this one, this and this one. Now we will make circle CP upon 8 radius, that is CP. Now we will make a circle in these points. Now we will make circle by using S1, S2 and S3 center. The radius of the circle will be CP, that is 31.4. The radius of the circle will be 31.4. From this center point we will make 31.4. Repeat the same by this circle center and again by this center point, 31.4. Now trim the circle extended portion from the line. I am showing you. Just use trim command like this one, and we will make this one, this. Okay. Now delete these circles which are not required here. Now we will fillet this object by CP upon 8 radius. Just use fillet command here. Give the radius, that is 3.925. This curve and this straight line. Again fillet this curve and this straight line. Now we will delete all other things which are not required here. This whole object should be deleted. This whole lines should be deleted. This may also deleted. And now we will delete this reference point also, because the work has been done. Now this is for reference. Trim command we will use. We will trim this too. Okay. Now we do not have requirement of this also and this. This is one teeth. We will make it straight now. For that simple draw straight line by using ortho mode. And now rotate the object, RO, rotate. This is reference point, reference, this and this should be here. Okay, we do not need this. Now this is a single teeth. By using these teeth we will make bevel gear. Now we will make a redundant circle, that is 250 mm diameter, and now we have to make redundant circle. Simple. Friends, after teeth we will make a circle of diameter redundant circle, so we will use circle center. Now dedendum is 238.43, that is our dedendum circle. And now we will extrude this one, solid extrude, and tapered angle will be 45-degree angle, 45, enter. Now the thickness is 15.7, same as the thickness of the teeth, this one. And now we will go to the front view and we will measure this taper distance, DL, from here to here. The taper distance is text go to the standard. Okay, now measure the taper distance, DAL, from here to here. We will get 22.2032. now we will extrude the teeth. Extrude. Firstly we have to make region created. Extrude this object 22.2021. now we will use align command, 3D align, modify, go to 3D align, select the first object, just rotate the object for proper way, enter. First source point this. Now we will use the align command, go here. First source will be this, first destination, second source, second destination, and third source here, third destination. Now the alignment of the tooth has been done. You may look in the conceptual view. This is the teeth which is aligned with taper portion of the base. Now we will use the polar array command. Go to top view, just select the teeth, go to the polar array, select the center point of the circle. Here number of teeth is 25, so we will type 25, press enter. This is the gear, this is the gear, that is bevel gear, and our bevel gear is ready. You may also see it realistic view, and you may also change the color of this whole object by using the select the object, go to layer and just click the color, that is yellow color, and our bevel gear is ready in yellow color. You may also change the color of the object